Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the props, means properties. That means from one component to another component we can pass some kind of values or variables or some kind of things. So those we can call it as properties. Short form is props. So let's check this. Here I am going to create one file, that is properties. You can give any name here. Now I am taking the name is properties, properties.js, and here I am going to use the snippet REACJS shortcut. Then arrow, which kind of functional component it is? Arrow type functional component. After installation of here E7 snippets, ES7 snippet, then automatically it will come. Just to install that one, ES7 React something. Here you can look, here I am showing. Just install this one, automatically that snippet will come. And one by one later I will tell you snippets. As of now just learn only. Here I am going to show that type REACJS. Okay, React arrow function CE means here just exporting the arrow function. That means just type it, press the control spacebar, then it will show you. Look here, React arrow function export component. The meaning is that React arrow function export component. Then it is coming. Then simply you can import it here. It's a export default, only one component. Here I am going to import it. Shortcut is that just copy this, Control C, and here use the less than, and paste that one and use that /. It will show that, just press the control space bar here. It will show that your path of that component where it is, just select it. Automatically it is imported. So it is a shortcut. Now look the output. What is this? Properties it is showing. So our concept is here, just pass the properties. Just you can assume that one function you are calling, you are passing the some call by values, call by reference, some kind of like that actual parameters. You feel it as it is actual parameter, here you are going to receive as a formal parameter, but in this case syntax is different and notation is different. So here notation is that it is a component, here we are going to pass the props or properties, and here going to receive the properties. That we need to call like that only. So I am going to pass the value, that is here property name is you can give any name, tutorial, which is equals to, in the curly bracket you can pass anything, or within double quotes you can pass. If you want pass a curly bracket, you should pass the some, after creating some kind of state variable here, that only you can pass it. Otherwise as of now you can pass the string value. So here I am going to give this is a properties concept, properties concept. Now it is going to pass how we can get this property, this tutorial here, Control C. Just here you need to use that props, props. It's a word kind of getting the this tutorial, and that too it is an object. Within this object, this only one tutorial property will come inside of this. And how you are going to use that properties? Just use that. Here I am going to write h1. Within this, how we are going to use? Just use the JavaScript concept here, curly brackets you should use, and type here props, props dot, what is the property name here? It is a property name. It is an object. Within this object the property will come inside of this, and use the dot operator and get that one, props dot tutorial. Then look the output, refresh it. This is a properties concept. So how you are passing here? Actually we are passing this a property. The content is in this like this, and this property we are passing to this particular properties component. How we are receiving this? By using props. Through these props we are going to display this object. In this object property is already there, that time we are displaying. Just use the dot operator. In this way you can get the properties from the another component to this component. Another component means here from parent component to child component. We can call it as a parent component, it is a child component. From parent component to we are passing the one property, and child component you are utilizing that. Yeah, here one more advantage of this REACTJS component, that means reusable components. How we are going to reuse the components? Just look here, just copy this one and paste this one. Two things are there. Now two things are same, but you can change the content from this. This is a reusable component. Look here, the output matters changed. Look here, this is a one property. We are reusing this property component. This is one component, same component we are reusing by changing the property values, content, by changing the content. So, and at the same time you can not only sending this one, you can change this to another one. This is a react reuse. Can use like this, Control C, and use that, Control C, Control V. Not only this, yeah, actually we can pass only same property with the different content only, then only we can say that is a reusable component. This property is component having one tutorial, this also having one tutorial property, but content is different. But this property we are not writing in another file, same file we are calling two times, that means reusable. We are doing that concept is reusable. That's the advantage of REACTJS. Okay, that's it friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.